Well, click like, subscribe.
Yep.
That's what we're doing on a lazy day, on a Sunday. Playing, walking around. The baby's riding the bike. It's a little big for him, but you know, he's having fun.
Papi, watch this.
That's all we can do.
Watch this.
Not my kids. So yeah, we're out here just having a little bit of fun. You know how it goes. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Well, there you go. There's the chrome Chevy. Everyone, all blacked out. No more chrome. So now it's a color match. All the windows. You know, you tape down, tape the rubbers, make sure there's no overspray. And guess what? The guy over here is crying about something. Look, hot. Right over there.
That's me.
Yep. Whiny biatch. There you go. Front bumper on the Tahoe. Tomorrow you'll get an assembly. As you notice, cars have shifted. We've got stuff getting put together. I've got somebody whining right now. He's complaining that I'm doing a good job on his car and I'm taking too long, that he missed out on a insufficient amount of money deposit at another shop. So what do I say? I'll pay it. It is what it is. But here you go. You know, there's the Beamer. If everybody understands, full color, blend it out, full color, minor, blend as much as possible, but look at that color match. Well, it's the best you can do when a good buddy tells you, I pressure cleaned off a customer's paint. What am I supposed to do? Bring it to Tom. Tell me to paint or do it. It's also 1 in the morning and I want to go home. So guess what? Adios. Chris, I know you probably want to hang me by now. You're the one doing the editing. Fortunately, everything's all discombobulated in 20 different sections, 43 videos in between. But the Alpina lower unit has arrived. It's painted, full color, and will be assembled soon. This turd will be on the road, and those parts will be on its way to Indiana, Virginia, Nebraska, Idaho, Idaho, I don't know, he's a hoe. Navajo for all I know. But we're out of here and I am going home. See ya. Look, it's so cold in Florida right now. Look at the fucking got Jesus, the dew on this. Yeah, I might as well do this job too, since I'm here already. As you guys can see, we undercoated to give it the factory look for the 240 RB 26 swap. Unfortunately, I have a not too happy with me customer because I took a little longer than it should have with delays, and then my guy telling him that we could have done it faster, that I put him on standby wasn't going to help. But unfortunately, it is what it is. You know, I don't sacrifice quality for speed or for anything. So I'm sorry you missed your appointment with Harvey, Hutchinson's Welding. You know, you lost your deposit, which I'm willing to help you out with, but we'll move forward and everything will be all right.
Like this with like a really big head on it?
Yeah.
And you can stick that in there.
What do you need? Just a push tree?
Yeah.
Let me see how big the thing is.
The hole is a 10 mil hole,
Okay.
but it's torn above it, so we have to kind of get a big one that will.
Got it.
And then I think we have to figure out another push at the bottom here. We have to get it.
Because I know we're going to have to recreate the wheel here for some of this. So. Damn it, the whole line right the fuck up too.
Really?
Yeah. stick it in for now. You know what I mean?
Okay, what?
So the support works. I can't get into it. I'll just notch out one of these.
Oh, yeah.
Side dikes and cut it. Just push it down. You gotta put it. Hold the front. What other ones do you have?
Hey man, you know what's going on, man. Yo, so we're here right
One of my favorites!
So you know I have to keep it real. I'm at Tommy's shop right now. Just got a quote on this Tundra. It's gonna be in the YouTubes. So yeah, I mean this is what we're doing. This is where we're at. Beautiful as weather out today.
Pico de gallo!
Yeah, but honestly, I don't know what else to say. We just chilling, just living life, trying to make it.
And if you want good food?
Orient Garden, 123 South State Road 7. You already know where it's at.
I gotta give you this. Unlike that job.
Yeah,
But it is what it is, you know? I've already been, I don't know, fixed a car, gave a quote, fixed another car, although it was in an accident here, which I've done that myself too. Well, 2 of my customers decided to play bumper cars. One crashed into another. Well, it is what it is. Well, guys, as you can see, I've been looking raggedy as always. I decided to come to the barber shop. If anybody ever wants to get their hair cut, come to the barber shop. Ideal Cuts, Palm Springs. And you gotta see my boy, Tommy Fade Master. Not saying there ain't a whole lot of shops out there that are good, but I am gonna say, if you come here, you got to see Tommy. I don't recommend everybody everywhere you go, but I see Tommy. So, Tommy, the painter, gets cut by Tommy, the barber. So, middle of the day, he just moved back. My barber left to Tampa for a while. So as he got back, guess where I come? So I'm on my way. Time to get a haircut. Got it all. What are we doing here? I don't know. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? I don't know, maybe something cool.
I know.
Let me see, let me see. Wow. Venga, I think. Wow. No more butcher. Jesus, Junior, you're looking sharp. I like it.
It's not the one I'm currently going to.
Well, we got the Evo. Bumper back on. We got this thing. This thing's sick.
This is how Mike wants his car without the money.
Ah, well, you know, you gotta pay for it.
Yes, sir. Damn.
What a fleet of cars we have here. What do you think, Louis?
I fucking love it.
Ah, he said he effing loves it. I'm keeping it PG. You know what's funny? Have you ever been to a body shop where every car is done? It just can't leave because we're waiting on parts?
You're the first person we met like that.
Oh, I could have sent it out, but I needed Ford to give me an emblem. I could have sent it out, but we're missing a trim piece and sent me back the wrong color of seats. I could have sent it out, but the Alpina, there's the trimlet. But guess what? I can't put it on because I don't have the bolts. And guess what? BMW didn't send it. So unfortunately, they'll be sleeping here tonight.